The Mombasa High Court has validated the election of Changamwe MP Omar Mwinyi. Justice Njoki Mwangi dismissed a petition filed by Mohamed Mahmoud Ali, a voter, challenging the election of Mr Mwinyi, saying he was validly elected. She said that irregularities cited in the petition are not huge enough to nullify the election of Mr Mwinyi. Costs. The judge slapped the petitioner with a $8 million in costs to be paid to MP and the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC. Justice Mwangi recommended investigation of 3 polling clerks by the Director of Public Prosecutions over allegations of signing as agents of political parties. She also declined to make recommendation for the investigation of the retuning officer, saying any individual with particulars of election malpractices ought to report to the DPP. Alterations on Form 35A were not done in any ulterior motives, added the judge in her judgment, which she read for 2 hours. The judge also said that she was not persuaded that there was ethnic profiling during the election for Changamwe MP. None of the voters identified were denied a chance to vote, said Justice Mwangi, who added that the allegations of vote stuffing was unfounded. Through lawyer Njoki Mwangi, the petitioner applied for certified copies of the judgment and proceedings with the intention of filing an appeal. Mr Mwinyi was elated by the court's decision and thanked IEBC for conducting credible election. Allegations. The petitioner argued that MP's elections in Changamwe constituency were not conducted in accordance with Article 81 and 86 of the Constitution, setting out the framework for proper electoral system and voting process. He also argued that IEBC allowed serious irregularities to happen and that there was no harmony between Form 35A results and what was declared in polling stations' diaries. The petitioner also told the court that results in 12 polling stations should have been disregarded, since the number of those who voted was more than those reflected in the polling station diaries. Through lawyer Mohamed Ali, the MP said the election in Changamwe was conducted in accordance to the Constitution and the law, hence the petition should be dismissed. IEBC, through lawyer Justice Munithia, told the court that the elections were conducted in accordance to the election law and regulations. Elections is one of the events in an election calendar. The system of voting was biometric, said Mr Munithia.